We'll look at some of the homework problems that are in section 8.2. We're first going to write the following phrase as a variable expression, and you're going to use x to represent the quote, a number. In this case, it 1 decreased by 19 times a number. 1 decreased by 19 times a number. Well, the word 1 is going to be the number 1. The phrase decreased by means subtraction. 19 times a number will be 19 times some number, which we're going to call x. So we're using x to represent the number. So that algebraic expression for 1 decreased by 19 times a number will be 1 minus 19x. Okay. Problem number 2. Write an expression for the cost, which is C, if a printer charges $2.15 for binding plus 10 cents for P pages for copies of a community group's annual report. What would be the cost equation? Now notice they have the C equal to. In this case, you're going to type in the algebraic expression. So in this case here, the cost, we know that's going to be C is equal to $2.15 for binding, so that would be 2.15 for the $2.15 plus 10 cents per page. Now 10 cents as a decimal will be 0.10 times P. That's the number of pages for copies. Okay. Now in your homework, you just type in just the expression 2.15 plus 0.10p. Because it already gives you C equal to. You just have to type in this part. But that's how you'll translate that expression for the cost. Problem number 3. If the number of professors in a college is P and the number of students S, and there are 20 times as many students as professors, write an algebraic equation that shows the relationship. Okay, we're letting S be the number of students. So here, there are 20 times as many students as professors. So if P is the number of professors at a college, then S then will be equal to 20 times P. So this will be your equation. S equals 20P. And you have to type in the entire equation to show that relationship. The number of students is 20 times as many professors. S is equal to 20 times P. Problem number 4. If G is the number of girls in a class and B is the number of boys, and if there are 6 more girls than boys in a class, write an algebraic equation that shows this relationship. Okay, in this case here, there's 6 more girls than boys. So the number of girls, which is G, that's equal to the number of boys plus 6, because there's 6 more girls than boys. So the equation to show that relationship will be G is equal to B plus 6. Okay, problem number 5. Write an equation relating the variables described in the following situation. The pay P for T hours if you are paid $9 an hour. Okay, so here we want to find out the pay for T hours at $9 an hour. In this case, that would be P is equal to 9T. Because the pay is going to be $9 an hour times T, which is the number of hours that you work. So here, it will be this selection right here. P is equal to 9T. And finally, number 6. Matt has 3 times as many stickers as David. If David has D stickers and Matt has M stickers, and Matt gives David 11 stickers, how many stickers does each have in terms of D? Okay, so in terms of D, how many stickers does Matt have after giving David 11 stickers? Okay, so we want to find out how many that Matt has. And in this case here, Matt has 3 times as many stickers as David, so that's going to be 3 times D. And he gave David 11 stickers, so that's going to be minus 11. So that equation, or well, that expression there will be 3D minus 11. 3 times as many stickers as David will be 3 times D. And then he gave David 11 stickers, so that's minus 11. So he lost 11 stickers. Now, in terms of D, how many stickers does David have after getting 11 stickers from Matt? Okay. So here, the number of stickers that David had will be D. And he's picking up 11 stickers, so that's D plus 11. So in this case here, David will have D stickers plus 11. D plus 11. That's your algebraic expression. And that should be enough to assist you with the homework problems in section 8.2.